Hope and Good Deeds. A personal slideshow inspired by the Great Muslim American Road Trip. Dr. Talat Khesji knew that a group of Muslim women banding together could make a significant impact, but she wanted to prove it. She saw her friends supporting great humanitarian projects that were overseas, but also wanted that same energy focused on her own neighborhood. She and a small group of women in the greater Dallas area formed Amal, meaning hope and good deeds. Amal is a giving club that pools donations and directs them to charitable causes, especially education and uplifting those in need. Within just a short time, they have far exceeded their initial goals. The group feels a special calling to causes that benefit families and children. So their members signed on to be guardian angels with the Children's Advocacy Center, providing lifelong support for abused children and their families. They also organize back-to-school fairs to help those children get ready for the new year. But the group isn't just about donations. Amal's members are working in the community, volunteering at the same charities where their money is going. They put their time and effort into packing meals for the homeless and places like the Ronald McDonald House, which houses families of sick children. Beyond immediate needs, they also focus on education and the long-term empowerment of women. Their education platform focuses on 4 areas: endowments, nursing scholarships, medical school scholarships, and STEM support. In the end, Talat's goal for Amal came down to something very personal. She wanted to set an example of service for her own daughter and the other young people in her community. As she says, we're here for a limited time. God has put us here to do more than to cater to ourselves. Women have so much potential, and I just want us to be proud of what we can accomplish together. This short slideshow was inspired by the Great Muslim American Road Trip, a 3-hour series produced by Unity Productions Foundation. In this series, activist and artist Mona Haider and her husband Sebastian Robbins travel historic Route 66, Chicago to LA, learning stories of American Muslim roots along the way. While the subject matter of this slideshow isn't included in the main road trip film, this is part of our educational outreach initiative, sharing amazing stories of Muslims enriching America. Your support makes this work possible.